Hey everyone. So here in John 14:2, reading from the King James, we see that it states, "In my Father's house are many mansions." And here the word mansions in the Greek is from the noun mone, where you see here in the definition it says abiding or an abode, which that's what this is, okay? An abode. Where in John 14:2 it's plural, hence abodes. I don't know why they translated mansions, because the word mone is in the same word family as to abide, which is a verb. John 15:4, abide in me, okay, which is from meno, the verb form of mone, to abide and abodes. So places where people abide are abodes, not mansions. So the proper way to translate John 14:2 is, in the house of my Father are many abodes. Okay, meno. Where in verse 23 it's in the singular. So what is the context of the many abodes? Because it concerns the house. Well, the house is here on the earth. So when the Lord comes, the many abodes concerns what we read here in the next verse. And if I have gone and I have prepared a place for you, which are the abodes he just talked about, I will come again. Okay, this is the second coming. And in this context, he says, and I will come again and beside take you to myself. Where here, beside take contains a preposition from the Greek para, beside, with the hyphen take, which is from paralambano, which is also a verb. Where you see the King James and other translations simply translate this as take, to take, take. Okay? In pretty much all of the occurrences of paralambano, ignoring the prepositional compound word paralambano. Beside take, which is different from take, from lambano, which is also found in the Greek without the preposition, translated the exact same way, hiding and masking the concept of the beside concerning the house and the abodes. And this is only one of tens of thousands of examples I could give showing why the Dabhar translation is superior to all other translations. And what you're looking at here are actually original copies, which are no longer available, and they haven't been since the mid-'80s, I think. However, the software here, Dabhar Works, is available. It's excellent. It contains the Old and New Testaments, plus other features, which the search function here is also awesome. Where if you would like a free copy of this software, it's available for Macintosh, PC, and Android devices. You can install it on your phone. Just email me at therevelationdeception@gmail.com, and I will send you a link to where you can download the files for all of these operating systems, Mac, PC, and Android. Oh, and by the way, if you would like a more in-depth study concerning the context of the house, okay, in John 14:2, in the house of my Father are many abodes, go to my YouTube channel called Revelation Questions. This is what it looks like. And search the video, What the House of God Is Not. It's a long video, but it contains important concepts in relationship to more mistranslating in other translations concerning what is the masculine oikos and the feminine oikia, which should not be both translated house. So, thanks for watching, and God bless.